Recording the sewer line today at 430 Yale Avenue North. The date's July 13th, 2022. Making this recording from a clean out in the bathroom near the front of the building. I'm going to pull back from this section. This should be somewhere between the two buildings in the little driveway that separates the two buildings. I believe that's where the camera's sitting now. We're in a larger diameter 6-inch concrete sewer line. We're going to pull back from there and get a good look at this line. It's coming back from 4-inch diameter sewer, or 6-inch diameter sewer back into 4-inch diameter sewer right here at this point. Old concrete sewer line. Still functioning. Still intact. We come back here into a section of PVC, white PVC piping. There's a clean out located outside the building, just outside the building in this driveway between the two buildings. That is the clean out associated with this white PVC. I'm going to keep coming back now. We're now into cast iron piping. So we are gone from that PVC material into cast iron. There's a tie-in connection, branch arm connection on the right side of the pipe. There is another branch arm connection on the top of the pipe there. We've got some channeling. Somebody just flushed the toilet. We've got some channeling through this section. There's another connection point on the right side of the pipe there. So some channeling through this area. The line's either one flat or two pretty well channeled, meaning sections of that pipe are gone along the bottom or thinned out. We're now back into a black material piping. It could be plastic. It's kind of tough to tell. A little grease along the top. But that section of faulty piping was located near where the bathroom is, towards the back of the building. So that faulty piping was near the foundation and out kind of towards the back part of that driveway and that bathroom in the back. So recommendation would be to excavate and replace that section back near the bathroom.